Alright guys, so this is a faux lock wig that I made using the new Locs. This is their 18-inch. It is pretty short, that's why I do have it in a bun. What a lot of people do is connect the new Locs to get like a longer length, but I just got one pack from Amazon. I believe it was around let's say like 30 bucks for 6 packs, and I only use a total of 5 and a couple from the 6 pack, maybe like 3 locks out of there. I love this because it's very natural looking and very easy to make. And you'll see the video of me making it, but I just want to go over real quickly how I made it. I just took a curly 10-inch curly wig that was sent to me for a review. 75% in the back I put in braids, so as if I was doing crochet, the braids where you're going like this and you're connecting. So I crocheted those regular, and then the 2 rows in the front, because there was about this much left in the front, about 2 inches, and I made it into 2 rows. The back row I braided just in one braid, and then I put the locks. And then for the first row I did individuals, okay, which was very difficult for me because these are already pre-made, the locks, so you have to literally plait your hair and then take the hair and kind of like put it in. But then you'll see me actually doing the twist method where you just take the hair, you rubber band it, and then you twist the hair and it kind of blends in. So I think that looks natural, and I wanted that messy look. Like, I still have hair out. I left some of the hair that I didn't put a crochet because I wanted it to look natural and I wanted it to look messy. I didn't choose a wig that had a comb to the back. I chose one that had 3 combs. So it has 2 side combs, which help a comb in the front, and it doesn't have a comb in the back. So it does have the adjustable strap in the back, the little thin one. So I just took that and tightened it so it can fit tight to my head, and then I actually crocheted some of the hair on there. All right, so that's how I got that. But I really love this look, and it's really nice. All you really need, if you don't have like a full lace wig, you can just get just a lace front closure or a lace frontal, and then you can actually put the crochet on there and then sew it into a wig cap. You can crochet it. There's a lot of different methods, but the method I did is because I did have a lace wig. Now this isn't a full lace wig, okay? It's lace about to right here, and then the rest of this is not lace. But with the crochet, it always looks full because of the hair, so it doesn't show. And this is a super easy. It can cost you between 40 to 100 bucks depending on if you use a whole wig or if you just use a cap and then you purchase just a frontal. And frontals are cheap. If you go to your beauty supply store, you're not paying hardly anything. Okay, so without further ado, let me just go ahead and... All right guys, so like I said, for this style you're going to need a wig. I'm using a short 10-inch curly wig. You're also going to need some water just so you can comb out the wig. Of course, you're going to need your pack of locks, and you're also going to need a crochet tool, combs so you can separate the hair, and clips so you can clip up the hair so it won't get in the way, and also a stand to put your wig head on. Alright guys, next I'm going to be braiding the hair. So I'm going to make sure that I secure my wig head on the mannequin, and then I'm just going to part the hair as if I was braiding someone's hair who was in front of me, a real life person. And I'm just going to go straight to the back. Okay, everyone should know how to do these braids. They're super simple. You just go straight to the back, and then when I start on the next one, I'm going to connect the first one to the next one. So I'll just pull that braid into the next braid, if that makes sense. Really easy, guys, I promise you. All right guys, so the next step, the braids are all finished. Now I'm just going to clip that last piece and intertwine it inside of the braids. So I'm just going to insert my crochet tool underneath the braid, lock the loose piece in, and then pull it through, okay, until there's no more shown. All right guys, so y'all know how to crochet. We're just going to take the tool, we're going to slip it underneath the braid, then we're going to take that loop, clip it to the tool and pull it on through, and then we're just going to loop the hair. So you're going to take the hair and place it inside the loop and pull. That is it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, I promise. Alright guys, so I'm all done with the back. That is all of my crochet. Alright guys, so the next step is to just go ahead and take the hair, and we're going to separate it into parts as if you're about to do box plaits on someone's hair. So we're just going to part it, and then we're going to detangle, make sure that it's fully detangled, and then we're going to plait it. We want to make sure that the boxes aren't too big, but they're not too small, okay? So all I'm going to do is just take this and plait it to the end. Alright guys, so the next step, after I have my plait, I'm going to slip the crochet underneath the plait. So it went right underneath, and then I'm going to pull it. Okay, and then I am going to, gotta pay attention y'all, I'm going to unravel the plait. And then after I unravel the plait, I'm going to take that hair that I unravel, and then I'm going to twist it around the lock. Okay, and we're going to be twisting this as tight as you can. And my hands are in the way. It was just a weird way of me filming, but you'll see it once I get to the bottom, how I'm just taking the hair and I'm just twisting it around. It's like wrapping. It's like when you're doing the faux locs, like individuals, the ones that people do when they add the weave to the hair. That's all you're doing. You're just going to twist that around the lock. Y'all, my pimple was not letting me be great. Like, I don't know why my face is breaking out. I believe it's like my dairy consumption, so I need to slow down on my dairy. But thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any information about this hair tutorial. It took me about an hour and a half to completely do all of this. And again, with my front, this is how my front look, because I'm not really good at doing, and I need to glue this part down. I'll probably just put some got to be glue, but for my front, I'm not really good at like doing the individual crochet. So again, I only did it in the front row, and then the rest is braids in the back and all that good stuff. All right, so thanks so much for watching. I pray that everyone is safe during these times of the coronavirus and all that good stuff. Love you guys so much.